folks, JD here, and recently I've been receiving a lot of emails from around the UK relating to drone weights and whether or not, with this 250 gram weight restriction when it comes in, what that means for people. Can they still buy drones which are under 250 grams? Which drones can you buy? Can you buy FPV racers? Can you buy planes, fixed wings, helicopters? What does this look like? How do we know what we're going to buy? Well, what I thought I would do, I would put together a very short video just looking at some of the quadcopters and helicopters that I have which are under 250 grams, which might give you an idea of exactly what it is you can buy and what it is you can fly if you didn't want to register a quadcopter over 250 grams. Now, this isn't every quadcopter which is under 250 grams. These are just the ones that I have. When you go on to either Amazon, Banggood, GearBest, wherever it is that you buy from, have a little look. The product weight will normally be there, but it sometimes includes the whole package as in the box weight. Sometimes though you do get the quadcopter individual flying weight with the battery as well. That's what you've got to look for. Okay, I'm going to stop yammering. Here's just a selection of some of the quadcopters, helicopters and fixed wings that you can get which are under the 250 gram restriction, which may help and may keep you in this hobby when the restriction goes live. Surprising, isn't it, as to how many of these vehicles are actually under 250 grams, especially, and I left this one out, especially this bad boy. It's on the cusp, it's about 220, 225, but still, something like this, a great big huge fixed wing under 250 grams, that's perfect. So it means that I haven't got to stop flying it, I haven't got to register it, and actually it's under the legal limit, which is fine for non-registering. So hopefully this video has helped to let you see that there are a load of quadcopters out there, a load of flying vehicles out there, which are in fact under 250 grams if you were considering stopping the hobby. I don't want to see you stop the hobby, I want to see you still enjoying this wonderful activity. Let me know if this has helped you. I hope it has. If it's given you something to think about. Keep those emails coming, keep those comments coming. I want to hear from everybody from all around the world, not just from the UK. Are you hit with this restriction? Are you hit with other restrictions under 250 grams? I think somebody got in touch with me a week ago and said that they are under 250 grams. So that would be, I would imagine, 200 less. I don't really know. But let me know what you think. I'm really interested to find out exactly how this is going to affect you. Now, a lot of you have responded to the UK drone laws video. This is slightly different. This is just going through a load of quadcopters that are out there, which will mean that you're still able to fly without registering and still keeping that activity open for you. All right then, folks. Well, I'm going to stop there. I hope you've enjoyed. Thank you ever so much for watching and listening. I've been JD. You've been fantastic as always. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Hello and welcome to all the new subscribers. I hope you're enjoying the channel. So until next time, my friends, happy flying.